Everyone thinks starting a YouTube channel is complicated. Too many rules, equipment, and scripts. But really, you only need one thing: the courage to start. Forget the gear, forget the editing software. Just pick up a camera or smartphone. Step one is the simplest. Hit record. That's it. You don't have to be perfect. Mistakes are part of the process. Focus on your content, not on overthinking thumbnails or titles. Your visuals don't need to be fancy. Lo-fi is charming and effective. Every start is small. One view, two views, and that's okay. The key is consistency. Post regularly, even if it's imperfect. Recording and uploading repeatedly is more important than waiting for perfection. Growth doesn't happen overnight. It happens one video at a time. Your audience will come. Focus on making each video better than the last. You learn more by doing than planning endlessly. Action beats overthinking every time. Keep it simple. Record, upload, repeat. Each step matters more than perfection. So start today. Don't wait. Just hit record and begin your YouTube journey.